Today I want to talk to you about cleaning. Sharon does all of our minor repairs on the RV, and especially on this longer trip, I've taken it upon myself to decide that I should do all the cleaning. Our travel trailer is it's a box that is 18 feet long. That's not a whole lot of room. And if I'm not picking up and cleaning up pretty often, it can become so cluttered and grimy and just not a place you want to stay pretty quick. Yeah, the same is true of our lives. And I know this from experience. There were many years after I was a Christian that I more or less stockpiled my sins. And after a while, it became much easier. Much easier. So easy that I didn't think about God that much because I wasn't real comfortable with that. And I had to be comfortable. Well, what I can tell you now is that my relationship with God is much better because I went in and did a thorough house cleaning. I mean, one of those spring cleaning things where you just get rid of clutter, you get rid of debris, where I got rid of sin, where I confessed sin. Folks, the Bible tells us that we need to take each thought captive. That's what Jesus wants us to do, is take our thoughts captive. When Satan comes in and starts needling with our minds, God wants us to take those thoughts captive and know that's not from Him. If every day, sometime during the day, I can have some time alone, just my Maker and me, I can get rid of the sin on a daily basis. I can confess I'm messed up. I can mourn over my sins. That's how I get joy. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. That's how I get my comfort. I confess and mourn over my sins. I hope that you are doing the same, because I have joy now. I have true joy and peace.